yet this year?
That's a giant. I mean a giant. Big kid. Alright, nice one on the twitching stick. Enjoying the beautiful afternoon. 3-pounder.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah,
We were still catching on the flat side.
41.
Yeah.
40 flat.
I don't remember the water.
See, we need to write that shit down. We never remember. We're like, yeah, it was.
About right. About this time of year.
Yeah.
I used to looking through my camera roll. Like, yep, nope, caught him.
Thought on that.
There's that pile right there.
I'm a little off way.
Yeah.
Little. He hit it. Hey. He says it don't catch the big fish. I'm telling you what, for as small as that thing is, it hit that.
Yeah, them little ones hit it. That's the only thing I like about catching little ones on the stick bait. Outside the mouth.
Did he? Well, he didn't really eat it.
No. Cold.
Cold.
Big crap. Hit it. That ain't.
Well, it just kind of.
Drum hit it.
Well, it just kind of. You know how they wobble side to side? Kind of all it did. There's a chunky one. I got us right up on it. God, he's cold. Cold fish. The Pride 6 7X heavy, 7.6 heavy. Chunky one.
I don't even know what it is. I thought it was on boat.
He's not one of these days. I had one off the bottom start to look at me. He was way down. He was sluggish.
Water temperature
37 last
older.
I don't catch them as good on a rig.
Yeah.
Look big, I can't tell. Wherever you want to go, go where you want to go. I'm big, big. I'll say they stay there forever, but there's a bank in this lake right now that don't need a brush pile or nothing. You can catch 20 pounds off of.
Yeah, there's always that right.
You're the guy that finds it.
Catches them.
See what it is, I was reeling it in. That might be a little little.
Did it as you were reeling it in?
Yeah. And barely had it.
They want something moving like a rig.
I don't know if this is the place I'd try to hang. Ah, damn, they're cold. Bitch. I mean, he's frozen. No,
I didn't get it.
yeah,
I
well,
actually got that. I actually watched one. Yeah,
it's a little deeper depression.
one like I feel like they kill a stick bait on its bull.
I've never fished bull. I have with a stick bait, and it's been, it was like springtime. I never done it like the winter time.
I like bull. I just
Yeah.
feel like there's a heck of a lot of fish there.
Yeah, it's actually one of my favorite like period any time of year. I've never fished in the summer. I've never fished in like the dead of winter.
Big. My God.
Might be a better fish.
Looks like he had it.
Spinning rod Sally.
There's them 2 7s I caught on a spinner rod. It just says. Nice. Yeah.
Oh, I hear my knees.
Ooh, he's just got one now.
Come here, old girl. Yeah, you done.
Free time.
Hey, Bobby, come on. Yeah, it's a 3-something. Alright, nice one on the twitching stick. Enjoying the beautiful afternoon. 3-pounder.
No, it ain't really. Not very thick at all.
Ah,
I
thicker
can
than you
push
think.
through it.
Half-inch. I don't know if I'm gonna fuck with it. I'm not gonna break the whole pocket up to fish that one spot. But I broke ice that thick or thicker than that to get out to the lake.
Yeah. Here he comes. He's on it. He's on it. It looks like a muskie. Like, he's still on it. Like, big. I'm saying you couldn't catch a gherkin in here. The wind's got cold. Okay.
fucking rearranged it. And then I think hit it again. I usually spot lock down right here. Fish for a minute.
Yeah.
Drift down the end of the point, throw down the other side of the point.
Normally if you catch one, it's right here in this little section.
I have more luck actually on the other side of the point I do this time.
Oh, see, normally I catch one up here.
Really?
Have you been in the harbor yet this year?
That's giant. I mean a giant. Big kid.
You need to get him?
It ain't that big. It's only a 3-something, but damn.
Oh, bigger than 3-something. Short and fast.
Maybe a 4. If it is, it's a baby 4.
Yeah. Yeah.
It ain't a 4, it's a 3. It's like a 380, 370. Nice one. Chunky one. Hey rig, tackle HD swimmers. Pride rod 7.6X heavy. I'll take it all day.